Hello, I'm Lakshi from Mauritius. I'm an entrepreneur in the ICT sector. We develop websites, e-commerce platform, and we deliver ICT training. For more than 1 year, we have been doing research and implementation on an e-commerce marketplace platform. In fact, we were analyzing and developing different aspects of the e-commerce platform. And just recently, I got the opportunity to participate in a training program, especially for e-commerce and digital infrastructure in the Maldives island and organized by the Commonwealth, UNESCO, and Enhanced Integrated Framework. Through this training, I had the opportunity to meet so many lovely people from around different countries of Asia and Africa that had common concept, common like-minded people who each of them wanted to promote trade, business through digital infrastructures such as e-commerce, social media platform, networking. So I was very amazed to see so many people around the world who have this common enthusiasm to build something around and to increase their trade, to increase their sales through e-commerce. And we are very grateful to UNESCO, Commonwealth, and Enhanced Integrated Framework for organizing this great platform that helped us to join together and have this wonderful training. We also had a very good experience with the organizers. They were very friendly with us. They made us comfortable during our stay, and it was a very enjoyable moment. I would really thank the organizers, the trainers, and also the sponsor who made this program a great success. I really recommend this program that it run frequently and people around the world can benefit from it. Thank you very much.